Hello my dear YouTube friends and welcome to my channel again. If you guys haven't subscribed already and if you want to help out to the DIY community and this video helps you out, please I'm going to ask you to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button at the end of the video if you learned something new. So I'm going to show you how to rethread one of these studs for my front wheel on my car. Unfortunately, this stud is gone. I cross-threaded it and I'm not sure if it was me or if it was the tire shop, but one day I had an issue torquing the lug nut, and the next thing I found out is that the thread was gone. So I'm gonna show you here so that you guys can see. Okay guys, so here we have our stripped stud. As you can see, it's pretty bad. So my nut won't go all the way in, and if I try to put a new nut, this thread will make it so my threads inside the nut they go bad. So when you guys notice this, you want to stop trying to use it as soon as possible and try to get it fixed as soon as you can, so you don't have any more issues and it doesn't get any worse. So next thing you want to do, it's you can use your these tools that come with your kit. This kit, I'm gonna leave the link on the description so you guys can get yours on Amazon with a little discount. So this is really handy. You can use this cleaning tool right here, and you can see you have to find the thread measurement. So this one is 1.5. You can use one of the good threads and you can check like that if that's the right thread, so we know that this one is the right thread. So you guys want to clean this as much as you can. You want to remove this all the old the shavings, metal shavings, as much as you can, guys. Okay. Okay, so once you do that, you want to find the right nut with the right thread. So we're gonna have to find, I think this one is metric, so let's try this on a good one and see if it goes all the way in. So yeah, this one is perfect, guys. Let's see. So see how it will go only till there, because the threads are bad already. So if you guys don't have a 22 handy, you can just use a branch. So we're gonna use this one and it should do the job. Okay. Okay guys, so you want to grab your socket 22 and then we're just gonna screw it in. Until until it goes in normally. We also don't want to cross thread this because it might be cross threaded already, so we gotta be careful with it. Let's see. See guys, the more you wait, the worse it is. Okay, so that seems to have worked. Let's try it again. Oh wow, it nicely went all the way in. You guys want to clean it again, make sure that all the shavings are gone. Okay. Yeah, that's much better. And lastly, you guys wanna try it out with one of the nuts from the car, and if this works, then that means that we fix our stud. Let's try not to cross thread this one. And for some reason it's kind of cross threading. We're not gonna push it all the way. We want to make sure that it goes in clean. What I would do also, if you guys have some WD-40, you can spray in there. Okay guys, so as you can see, this easily goes with my hand. Also my friends, you want to use I'm gonna show you here so that we can do this right. So this one, it's the old lug nut that it used to be in that stud. You guys want to grab one of these, just make sure you guys grab the right one, and then you guys can clean the threads so that when you put it in, it won't break the thread even more. In my case, I'm gonna see if at the end we can torque it to the right spec. If I'm not able to torque it to the right spec, you might have to change the wheel hub with new studs. Sometimes you can just change the studs on those wheel hubs, but you want to make sure that the threads can go on your lug nut as well. Okay my friends, once you got your wheel back in the car, make sure that you can get your tire torqued at the right spec. So we're gonna grab our torque wrench. Where the fuck is torque wrench? Okay my friends, and lastly we're gonna have to make sure we can torque the nut, the lug nut, at the right spec. So this is the one that we're gonna do this one last. And first I'm gonna torque all the other nuts. We're gonna set to 98 foot-pounds, which this will be the spec for this car. But if you have a car or a bigger truck, the spec will be different. If it's a bigger truck, will be more. If it's a car, will be less. You just have to look it up and make sure you get the right spec. Okay. Next thing you do, guys, you want to get all the lug nuts torqued at the right spec. Okay, we're gonna do the ones. We're gonna leave the one we fixed for last. Okay, and make sure that you guys lower the jack. You lower the car. Okay, and now you torque the other ones at 98 foot-pounds. Okay. Okay, lastly, okay guys,